Guarantee a good start to your day by fueling up with a quick and creamy breakfast smoothie. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to start your morning with a simple, energizing breakfast with my recipe for pineapple mango cucumber smoothie. To begin, place one 16-ounce package of frozen Hy-Vee unsweetened pineapple chunks in a large blender. Then add in another 16-ounce package of frozen mango chunks. After that, finish by adding in 1.5 cups of unsweetened vanilla plant-based milk. Cover and blend the mixture until smooth. Did you know mangoes are the most commonly eaten fruit in the world? And they have over 20 different vitamins and minerals. Once that's done, remove the lid and add 2 medium-sliced bananas, 1 medium-sliced cucumber, 1 tablespoon of refrigerated ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 4.5 teaspoons of organic matcha powder, and 1 teaspoon of fresh mint leaves. Green tea powder provides balanced energy and mental alertness, as well as antioxidants. Cover again and blend until smooth. Once it's at your desired consistency, pour the smoothie mixture into 4 20-ounce glasses to serve the whole family a healthy breakfast to kickstart their day. People who consistently eat breakfast are often able to make better food choices throughout the day and tend to be a healthier weight than non-breakfast eaters. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.